Happy Tuesday. Tuesday it is. Now, unfortunately, this story, I heard a little bit, a snippet on the radio. KLVJ, of course, in Austin, Texas, Travis County. And I couldn't freaking believe it. Trying not to curse, but I could not believe what Travis County is turning into. I got two stories here. Two stories to highlight the danger of a particular DA in Travis County failing to do his duty to protect Travis County and people in Austin. But the first story we're going to go over is the title of the video. Man takes plea deal for attacking pregnant girlfriend, killing unborn child. Man, prosecutor said that his pregnant girlfriend beat his pregnant girlfriend to the point where she lost the child will serve no jail time. No fucking jail time. Sorry, I'm going to curse because this is frustrating. Anybody that kills an unborn child should get manslaughter charges and spend time in prison. He is a danger to society and deserves to be locked up like the piece of shit he is. The monster, the person that should be behind bars, accepted a plea deal with 8 years of deferred adjudication on third-degree continuous family violence assault charges. In most cases, he will be denied a gun. He'll fail his background check. According to the Texas Attorney website, deferred adjudication is when the person pleads guilty or no contest to the charge, and there's no finding of guilt at the time of sentencing. The court puts the person in community supervision or probation for a stretch of time, and if the probation is complete, the original offense is dismissed. He killed an unborn child. I'm frustrated. This is our DA. This is DA Jose Garza. He is pro-crime. He is working against the best interests of Travis County and Austin, Texas. This person needs to be recalled. If you know a petition where I could sign to recall this piece of shit DA, let me know. I will sign it. I will sign my name, put my address, put my phone number, and if they call me, I would say, I want that motherfucker out now. Sorry, this is frustrating. But for those people that think I don't curse, I do curse, and this is frustrating. This is beyond insanity. He gets the offense dismissed for killing an unborn child, and he gets to walk after 8 years. No ramifications. He's free to abuse other people in the society, free to walk in the street, be able to assault someone else. According to an arrest warrant, the monster assaulted his pregnant girlfriend, LaShonda Lemons, during the verbal fight in 2019. The warrant said that the monster punched him in the stomach and screamed, "F you and this baby. You aren't going anywhere." Lemons said she went to the hospital 3 days later and was told that the baby died. A doctor indicated that placenta abruption was present, which means the placenta was detached from the womb. According to the affidavit, this can be caused by blunt force trauma. Lemon spoke directly to the monster in court during the victim impact statement. "You were the first person to hold me at gunpoint. You're the first person to strangle me," Lemon said. Lemon's attorney, Kelsey McKay, says the monster was required by both his bond and agreed upon protective orders to forfeit his guns. But still, to this day, McKay said that never happened. Never happened. He has guns, and this is a monster that does not deserve the Second Amendment. Through his actions, he has proven that he is not a responsible gun owner. The left says that they want gun control. Here's your chance. Here's your fucking chance. Why aren't you taking his guns? Seriously. Empty campaign promises. We have a firearm surrender laws. We have domestic violence laws. But if there's no enforcement or implication of those laws, they're relatively useless. Like I said, I am all for the Second Amendment. It's not unconditional either. If a member of society has proven that they're not a responsible gun owner, they tend to lose rights. I'm all for that. By their own actions, they deem themselves not able to partake in certain rights. And the Second Amendment is one of them. I understand this, guns are very dangerous tools and require the utmost respect and safety precautions. When a man beats his wife to the point where he kills an unborn child, his action surrenders his right to the Second Amendment. Part of the plea deal, the Travis County District Attorney requires the monster to swear in court that he does not have any guns and will not live in the house with them. McKay said, based on the terms of the agreement, the monster will end up not serving jail time and will be wearing a GPS monitor for 6 months. 6 months? 6 months. That's all he gets is a 6 months timeout and be tracked for 6 months. The decision, domestic abuse advocate Connell Huntsman Strogner said that he does not serve justice. Very concerned with the sentencing does not result in safety of the survivor and the community, Strogner said. KXN reached out to the DA's office about Lemon's opposition to the sentence, reasoning for the sentencing level, and what is known about the monster's firearm. He responded, additional evidence gathered through the course of the investigation made it clear that the facts do not support the initial allegation. The child is dead. The unborn child is dead by his actions. What do you mean? Of course, an investigation made it clear that the facts do not support the initial allegations. Why? Why? I have questions. Why? Why? Oh, I have another story. Austin man allegedly hit police officer won't be prosecuted, Travis County DA says. So now we have open season on police officers because, all cops are bastards. Only good cop is a dead cop. Is that the type of mentality that Austin wants? Is that the type of message that the city wants to send to a police force that is too small for the city and can't recruit anyone? Is this the message? Is this the mayor? The message that the mayor wants to send the city council, the DA, saying, oh, go ahead and beat up on our cops. You get a free pass. Who cares that they protect you from monsters? They don't deserve your respect because we won't prosecute you if you beat them up. Go for it. This is the message that it sends. This is the message that the DA Garza, that piece of shit that needs to be recalled, is sending. Let's hear. Austin, Texas, Travis County District Attorney will not prosecute an Austin man who allegedly hit an officer earlier this year during a fight. The incident happened on 6th Street and was recorded by more than one camera. The DA decision not to bring calls for the officers who were involved is now bringing calls for the officers who were involved to be fired and prosecuted. He is not for law enforcement. He is pro-crime. Not only did the cops get beat up, now they're going to be prosecuted to defend themselves and to be fired. But yet we have a cop shortage. We have a EMS and cop and firefighter shortage. Why? Because we have a district attorney that is pro-crime. A video from the bystander show Austin police striking Alicia Wright as they took him into custody following the fight on 6th Street on May 1st. What the video doesn't show is Wright striking one of the officers, which the police said allegedly happened a few moments earlier. The officers who not only beat Alicia but lied on him. They have a history of doing this to the citizens in Austin, said Justin Moore. Is that Justin Moore, that twice convicted person? I don't know. Wright's attorney. Oh, just Wednesday at the news conference, Austin Justice Coalition and Moore announced his clients will not be prosecuted. Yes, these people are, I don't know if they're George Soros, but they're anti-cop. They're anti-law enforcement. They want free reign. This supports our initial claim that Alicia was the victim in the particular predicament. Travis County DA Garza filed a notion that was in the interest of justice to not prosecute Wright. I mean, if that's true, then where's the body cam? Does body cam support this claim? Does it? The DA, Travis County DA, filed a motion that was in the interest of justice not to prosecute Wright. The decision goes against what Austin police claim happened on May 1st. Where's your evidence? Fox 7 requests ADB comment and provide an update. The department doubled down on its original statement from May and stood by the allegation. Officers attempted to de-escalate the situation, but Mr. Rock and his companion sought to continue the altercation. The ADB statement continues to claim Wright hit the officer in the face. Officers observed that Mr. Wright and his companion were the aggressors and took steps to arrest them. Mr. Wright hit an officer in the face with his fist, causing injury before the officer could arrest Mr. Wright and his companion. More showed police body cam video from May 1st. Officers can be seen trying to break up the fight, but it's not completely follow the ADP police report narrative. This allegation, or this alleged incident, you see Alessia breaking up the fight. Oh, sure. I mean, according to the lawyers, breaking up the fight, the officer pushes Alicia, even though he wasn't being the aggressor. Alicia gets up and explains himself. He puts hands on Alicia, and Alicia slaps his hand away. The officer then pushes him. Moore does not believe the slap Wright did is the same as a punch to the face. See, he's promoting disrespect to the law enforcement. This sends a dangerous message. Well, the officer has already pushed him hard to the ground, so the officer was already charged up, Moore said. Moore accuses the police officers at the scene of falsifying arrest reports. The DA does not hold these officers accountable if the police department does not fire these officers immediately for not brutalizing the citizen, but also lying about they will be supporting police misconduct. Official from Travis County did not respond to the request for comment. Let's see here. Does this show it? Let's see here. I mean, maybe they shouldn't be punching him. No, like I said, this sends a terrible message. But of course, who knows what happened prior? It's funny how they only release the video, part of the video that backs up their claim. Is there anything more to it? Let's see here. Is there anything more? No, but just the slow-mo of this. Like I said, I don't know about this incident, to be honest. But I have a feeling that the officers of Austin Police Department are speaking mostly true. Because they're only showing videos, which I expected more from Fox News. The whole altercation. What led up to this? I'm not seeing anything like that. A video from a screen is what they're going to go off of. Maybe I should really look into this video more. Because, yeah, I can see how repeatedly punching the dude when they're down. But, at a certain point, we need to start respecting law enforcement. If you think we've been wrong, you take it to court. I'm sure this guy would be willing to take your case pro bono. I am sure he's willing to take it pro bono. That's where altercations of the police should handle. I don't know. It seems like this DA doesn't care about law-abiding citizens. He doesn't care about law enforcement. I have to look more into this video, see if there's any more into it, other than the snippet that's showing officers being aggressive. But sometimes it takes cops being aggressive to subdue a person. I mean, sure, the optics doesn't look good. I get optics. We live in the age of optics. And I understand that people will cut the video to make their side look better, not showing the full context. But the fact that the police officer won't be, not the police officer, but the man won't even be prosecuted and they want the cops fired in the pursuit of justice. This DA wants to go after cops. This DA wants to go after law-abiding citizens. This DA wants us to be in fear of our lives. What was it? Just a few weeks ago, I reported that there's regular drive-bys in the South Austin neighborhood. South Austin neighborhood. There's regular drive-bys. I don't know. Leave a comment down below on what your thoughts are. And as I mentioned, let me know if there is a petition to recall Jose Garza, because I will sign that. Leave a comment down below. Please smash the like and subscribe button on all platforms, or just the platform that you're currently watching. But most importantly, have yourself a wonderful day, morning, or evening.